I think it's an exciting time to be working in AI, number one, and I think it's going to cause change like we've never seen before. So this could be positive or negative, but I think change in itself is quite good. We've seen change throughout from when, change I think is a key driver for human progress forward. Whether it's bad or good, I think there's definitely positive things that come out of it, especially when you look at it in very long term. So I'm very excited about AI, and particularly for Africa, because I think for Africa it will be even more impactful. So where you have a very small thing that can impact in the West, I think for Africa it have really, really huge impacts because the problems we deal with are partly structural, partly lack of experts, and these things AI does really, really well. So I'm excited about AI, about the change that will come from AI.